Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. I am not going to be having a Google Meets this week or Hangout. I have some professional development that we're doing as staff for Wednesday and Thursday, so we will not be doing a Google Hangout. However, what I would like you guys to do is that you guys are going to upload maybe like a photo of yourself. It doesn't have to be of yourself. Maybe it's just you doing something, just so that we're keeping in touch with each other. You're able to see your classmates because I know some of you really look forward to Google Hangouts and Meets. And I can't do it this week because I'm swamped with meetings. So with that said, just so that you can see what we're doing, um, I'm going to have a link for you, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And I want you to, again, you're taking a picture of yourself. Maybe it was like last week, maybe you have something, maybe you took, your mom took one of you on your phone, or um, maybe it was during Easter, anything like that, just anything fun that you've been doing. I want you to post a picture. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So if you can see my cursor, I'm going to come over here and it says add image on the left hand side right here with the little black square with the little mountains. You're going to click that. Now, it depends on where you have this at. So mine will take you to the screen. Mine is in my Google Drive. So if you save your photos to your Google Drive, you got to figure out where you're saving it to, where you found this image at. I guess maybe the best way to do it, if you had it's on your cell phone, send that picture to your email, and then your email, you can save it to your Google Drive. So mine's in my Google Drive, what I'm going to share. And it's this picture. Now, some of you have probably seen this. I'm hoping all of you have seen this photo. And it takes a minute to upload, so I'm uploading it right now. That's what those black dots are meaning. Okay, so it's uploading. But last week, at the beginning of the week for spring break, I created the Upton staff photo that you are seeing here, to send out a message to all of you to know that we were thinking of you. So all teachers are thinking of you guys and hope you're doing well. So that is my picture that I'm going to upload to this page. Now, what I want you to do is whatever picture you decide to upload, okay, I want you to tell me about that picture. It can just be like a quick blurb. So over here, now above that, it's this one, and it'll say a sticky note, okay? So you are going to click on that. And when you do that, a sticky note thing is going to pop up. Now you can make the background colors different if you want to. Okay, I'm going to keep mine blue. I like blue. And I'm going to say, last week I created the Upton staff photo. And then I want you to put your name. So I'm just going to put a dash and say Mrs. Byerly because I want to know whose it is, because some of you, again, may not put your face on it, and I'm totally down with that. If you don't want to put your face on it, I'm okay with that, okay? So if you're just not looking the prettiest, okay? I know Mrs. Byerly, I have a shower in today, but okay, this is what you're getting today. But there you go. Okay, hit save. And when you hit save, okay, it'll pop up. Now you can make this bigger. Oops. You can take it, click on it, drag it, make it bigger. You will be able to move other people's around. I would, if it helps you with when you're in there to do that, that's fine. So maybe somebody wants to post theirs right here. I'm okay with that. But it is going to take you to this. So I want to see what everyone is doing. And again, this recording is for all of my math hours. However, even though you are seeing up here first hour math, third hour and 6th hour, I will be creating your own. So you guys are only going to be in your own class. You'll be seeing what each other is doing in your own classes, not all 3 math classes combined, okay? So that is what I want you to do for this little assignment, just so that everyone can stay in the loop and see what you're up to, because I know, again, some of you just like seeing each other and see what everyone is doing. If you have a couple photos you want to upload, I'm down with that too. I'm sure your classmates would love to see what you are doing. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you guys all have a really good week. And then our next Google Hangout session is going to be next Monday. And that is the 20th, I believe. Our staff has their designated times, and so math from now on is going to Google Hangout sessions are going to be on Monday, no Wednesday. Okay. All right. I hope you guys have a great week. Make sure you're checking It's Learning. You do have an assignment, a couple in Google Classroom, including this one. So hope you guys have a great week. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, reach out to me through It's Learning. I will be around. Okay. All right. Bye, you guys.